Who said getting ready can't be just as fun as going to the party? I'm Brooke with WTI, and I really love this mirror by Keonjinn. It's lighted with 3 dimmable colors, has an anti-fog feature, which really works in the most steamiest bathrooms. Also, was so easy to install and package to perfection, and is made with tempered glass and has a built-in Bluetooth speaker that is high quality sounding. I love the clarity of the speaker, the minimalistic decor because it's hidden behind the mirror. It does not affect the sound quality. It is really nice to listen to. It's also easy to connect with the mirror multimedia. You'll find it if you open your Bluetooth. And now getting ready in the bathroom has just become really fun. It gives off the most beautiful ambiance in the bathroom with all of these color settings, the backlighting, and getting ready is so easy now. But that's just my point of view.